So today the weather is so chilly and very gloomy and all that. So I'm thinking I want to make a Bak Kut Teh Steamboat. So some of you might think that Bak Kut Teh Steamboat is like so weird, but it sounds weird at first for us too. But once we try it, the broth is actually nice when you do it steamboat way. So I was thinking maybe today I'm going to show you guys a little bit video of how we do our Bak Kut Teh Steamboat, how I prepare. So if you guys interested, just follow me to my kitchen. So I have all the ingredients, the enoki mushroom. Okay, this is must have, and then veggie, any type of veggie. Sometimes I change to bok choy, but I don't have bok choy or pak choy anymore, so I choose lettuce. And then this is crab stick, some fish ball that I have in the fridge, and then yimi, and then pork belly slices. So normally I will buy the steamboat pork belly thin slices, but so lazy to go out during this MCO thing. So I just take out my pork belly, cut it into thin layer of slices, and then I just marinate with some Szechuan and then oyster sauce, and ta-da! Here it is. Okay, so this is my dipping sauce for my steamboat. This is how I like it. I like some chili padi and then some garlic, and then I'm going to put in the soy sauce later. Alright, I have eggs here where I'm going to put in when we eat with this heat. Okay, and then this is soft tofu. It's a must do, it's nice. And I'm going to teach you how to open a perfectly smooth tofu, because some of you might have this struggle. I used to have this struggle, and then I google it and I find a hack to do it now. So I think maybe it's a good thing that I share with you guys. So this is the broth. I'm using pressure cooker to cook it because it's better and it's we cut a lot of time out. Okay, so this is my bak kut teh. Basically there is there is a pai guat inside, pork bones inside, and then the bak kut teh packet, and then some dry mushrooms, and yeah, basically that's it. Oh, I also put some garlic powder. Usually I will put the whole garlic in, but in this case, because I'm doing steamboat, and I don't put the whole garlic because the thing about garlic is it will like soften, and all the thing will be lying on top of the broth, which I don't like. I like to have a little bit clear broth for the steamboat, so I just make it slightly different. Alright, so this is the broth, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, so here is our Bak Kut Teh Steamboat. All the ingredients.